Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got 2 days worth of growth. It's time for a shave. Today's shave soap is Camp Phoenix. It's a little hologram label. Now, this is a scent revamp or a revamp of a scent. I don't know if you guys had seen my post the other day or yesterday. The original set has the same label, but the scent has been remastered. And I will have to say a disclosure. Douglas and Fran sent this soap to me for free for a review. Now, this scent is definitely a scent. It's a nostalgic scent. It's a scent that you may have smelled at some point when you were a young boy or even just the other day. And so those memories are going to flood your mind when you smell this particular scent. Now, I'm going to put a little picture right here of the scent profile. We'll just kind of read them off together, and then I want to tell you a little bit more about what I think the scent smells like. So it's going to be mesquite wood, pine and sage fire, white birch, tar, charcoal, and spicy notes. Now, to me, should I tell you? I'm just going to tell you that it comes across as a smoky campfire. You know, that scent. And it's kind of hard to describe. But then, you know, about maybe 15 minutes into it, roughly, that smokiness dies down and you get this nice, rich mesquite scent. And it's very nice. All right, so I have it already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using this beautiful smokiness looking Trotter's handcraft brush, and every time I do it, the horse is upside down. All right, so today's razor, I'm going to go with the trusty Gamechanger.84 solid bar, and I have a Gillette silver blue blade already loaded up into it. What else was I going to say? I think that was it. I was debating on whether I wanted to use the Cube pre-shave. I think I'm just going to roll with the soap I already have lathered up. And the reason I was thinking that is because I did get this a little bit on the wetter side. It's going to be just fine. You know that scent. Now, the original release, I'll probably, in the description box below, I will put a link to that. There's a hair. Losing a hair. But anyway, yeah, the original scent kind of had that s'mores combination. The soap was a different scent than the Splash, and I really enjoyed it. And yesterday I got this soap in, and I was like a little kid in the candy store. I couldn't wait to rip the box open and get a whiff of the new scent here. And I put it on the back of my hand and wore it around all evening, and I would just, you know, go back and smell it, and very pleasurable. I just like it. All right, so here we go. Pass number 1 with the grain. What a nice, close, smooth shave. This is my go-to razor blade and combo. It's just, for me, it's just right, and I can't beat it. By the way, this scent was just released on Saturday. So if you guys haven't already looked at it or thought about it, you will easily be able to find it on the website or on the app. On the first set, it was an app-only release, and I can't remember how long it was, but it was maybe a day or two, and it was gone quickly. I still have that set. I was going to dig it out, but I decided not to. All right, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. I got a big old spot of it there on my, between the knot and the handle. I was waiting for it to bloop off there, but it didn't. I've even got it on my collar. That's all right. It'll wash off. What's new in your shaving world? Comment below and let me know. I can just smell the aroma penetrating the room. I thought about being kind of crafty, setting up the hammock in the backyard and kind of make it, give you that camp vibe. But last night, I don't know, it was probably around 10 o'clock or so, it started raining. The backyard or the back area of my property starts getting not really floody, but very saturated with water. And it's still kind of been raining off and on this morning, so I had to cancel that idea. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. Scott, if you're watching, I remembered to break out the ice cube again. Ooh. After that warm lather, even though I did the cold water rinse, oh, this is just so refreshing and messy. All right, time for the matching splash. And this one is matching. The original version was more of a marshmallowy, cinnamony kind of scent that kind of drew the whole s'mores description to mind for me. But this one is not this way. This matches the soap with the smoky mesquite scent. I will say this particular scent is not overwhelmingly strong, which is good, but it does have some lasting power. When I put the scent on the back of my hand last night, I woke up this morning, I could still kind of get that whiff of it, so it's gonna last for quite a while. And I'm gonna follow that up with the unscented star jelly. I do like this scent. It's unique. I will say that. I'll let my wife smell it, and she could identify the scent right away. For her, she was kind of like, she was like campfire-y scent, and she's like, I don't know why you would want to wear that. And I said, well, do you remember the other one? And we kind of talked about it, and she's like, yeah. And I guess for me, I fall into that semi-gourmand scent lover, I guess you could say. And so the s'mores version I like a little bit better. This one is nice. It just falls into a different category. And so, you know, I don't know what else I could really say about that, but if this is a scent that you would enjoy, look at that label. It's hard to always get those in there. Anyway, I don't know. What do you guys think of the campfire scent with the mesquite? Let me know in the comments below. I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.